Hi guys, I'm back. I got some mail from Bullseye Toys. I can't wait. This big. I never actually had a Squish'Ums. They must be cool. That's hard. That was hard. Actually, yeah, super hard. I am not sure how to open this. I wish I would get the unicorn, but I'm not getting it. Oh, the unicorn! I thought I wasn't gonna get it. It's a unicorn. Ah, it's squishy like a squishy. Smell it, smells good. These are all the pets you can get. These match, but they're different colors. Mom, look at these puppies. They're so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna open up my second Squish'Ums. Let's use this one. I wonder how I got these two unicorns. That was really hard. I got the same unicorn. Cuckoo. Let's open this one. I don't know what this is. I gotta get this out. Ding. Yeah. It's a cat. Oh, look at that cute little cat. A purple unicorn. I didn't get this one. Whatever that bag is, I don't know what it is. Because I can't see through the bags. That's weird. That would mean I'll have supervision. I got a pink bunny. It's adorable. It kind of smells sweet. Wherever this place is, I am impressed. Thank you, Bullseye Toys. I'm gonna open this one. In this, there are two bows inside it. These are the bows that my baby sister wears because they're the same size because she has little and I have you can do whatever you want. I share with her. I'm gonna open this. Hot pink. I love that hot pink one. Thank you again, Bullseye Toys. A white bow. It's like Christmas. This now. Red. It's a dark red. Dark red. Okay. Blue, like the sky. Pink. It's like a light dark pink. Like a pink I would wear. It's a dark blue bow. Not like the one I had before. The other one was like way too light, and the pink one way too light. What is gold? Silver. I didn't know Blvd Toys actually sell these pretties. They're like gorgeous babies. I have that one. I have these already. Now I have matchies. So Camille can wear two of she and Grandma to make pigtail for her. Wow. I opened a lot of these bags. Unicorn and Poe hearts. Impressive. Hearts. It's purple and both. It's pink, blue, and purple. That's my favorite. So now I wonder what to open up next. They're keychains and they glow up. Oh, these are like the true ones I used to have. Like Poppy and Branch. But they lost electricity forever. I can't even work them. If I had pretend keys, they would go on. Yeah. Come on, get that. It's a pterodactyl. It's orange. Now let's open them next. Let's see like this thing. These glow up. The queen bee. Queen bee. There. I don't know who she is. I'll figure her out. Lion dancer. This one's queen bee. I wonder what this she makes. What kind of light she makes. I don't know. That's blue. I thought it was. Yeah, take that. She's on here. D-Team baby. I don't even know who she is. I got Queen Bee again. Here's her sticker for it. Ah, she fell out. They fell out. Thank you, Blvd Toy, for sending me these toys. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. And if you like this video super much, smash and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And smash and click that thumbs up button. Bye, guys.